Hello everyone, welcome back to your usual Stray Kids reactions. Today we have a 2-in-1 special, Venom and Freeze. Now, before we get started into the reaction, I just wanted to point out that we're currently at 945 subscribers as of recording. Now, by the time this video comes out, we might have surpassed 1,000 subscribers. And just in case we did, I really need to say thank you sincerely from the bottom of my heart. You guys are incredible for even making the channel go to 1,000. I mean, like, that means a lot to me. And you know, this is only the start of the journey too. I mean, I've only seen like 1% of Stray Kids, 0% of K-pop in general. I mean, I need to see so much. This is only the start of the channel's journey, which is insane. So yeah, thank you, I really mean it. And let's get into the reaction. We're starting off with Venom. So the reason why I paired Venom and Freeze together is usually because you guys always pair them together. And it's also because I figured out that they're both B-sides for Maniac. They're both in the same album together. That's pretty cool. I mean, I have to say, that's awesome for Stray Kids for making music videos for B-sides. That's pretty cool, in my opinion. Now, you guys have said I will really like these songs. The fact that you guys have said that means you guys know me by now, already. Now, I have said how much I liked Elevator, how much I like Miro, because those songs, you know, they're kind of meant to me now. You know what, I'm just gonna stop talking, let's just get into it. We just started and I hear the greatest sound of my life. What is that noise in my ears? What is busting my eardrums? What's gonna happen? Oh, he looks beautiful. Oh, the sound. It's a bin show, of course it is. Man, free your friends. What are you doing, champion? Oh, the pre-chorus. Ooh. I love Sungmin's voice. Lino. Chan? The sound! You guys are controlling a spider? They okay. Of course, the second verse has to start with Hyunjin. They always do that. He said pew pew pew, and the gun actually shot. The gun made the sound pew pew pew. What? It was voice. You got me like Harley Quinn. Han's flow. His flow is awesome. Black Aura. This pre-chorus, everything about the song so far, I really like. Felix, you got a spider in your mouth. Felix, watch out. Oh, okay, he just swallowed the spider. Oh, they all swallowed the spider. They all ate. Bro, why do they always do that? They always give us a false drop all the time. Happened in La La La. It happened in... You literally name a song right now and it probably has a false drop for the second verse. Or the second chorus. Bro! Changbin! There's his voice. Oh. What? Oh well, we got an outro? Okay. Is this a Felix and Sun duet? That's really interesting. That was pretty sick though. Oh. Well, there's one thing for sure, you guys were right. I would absolutely love that. The sound.
Oh my god!
I can't even mimic it. That it sounds so satisfying in my ear. And the fact that Felix is coming through. Oh, that was really good. I can't believe that's a B-side. But the most replayed part is Hyunjin. I don't blame you. Hey, you know what? I'm going back there just to see him real quick. Yeah. I'm going back just to see you again, man. You got me like Harley. He did say that. Man, that's crazy. Getting someone like Harley, that means you got them insane. Got them going crazy. Well, yeah, that's it for Venom. Amazing song. Fantastic song.
Say that again?
And now moving on to the next song. Oh, I don't know if I'm ready. 15, wait, age is 15 and up. Wait, hold on. What's gonna happen in this music video? Wait a minute. Wait, Venom also had that. Let's see, am I gonna like this more than Venom? Am I gonna like it as much as Venom? Venom was a pretty high, got me some high standards right there. Let's go. This is Freeze. Man, what happened to you? Bro, we were just fine. I mean, you guys were swallowing spiders earlier, so, you know. Okay, so we're doing some Mission Impossible stuff now. Look at his hair, man. So we've got a whole storyline going on. That's pretty interesting. That's pretty cool. Oh. Oh, what's gonna happen? It's a intro. Dang. Oh, Felix. Hyunjin. Bro, these back to back. We just went back to back to all the rappers. We went from Changbin to Felix to Hyunjin, and then oh, what's this pre-chorus? Wait, hold on. Wait, this is a high build-up. What? What? Did I just hear? No. Please tell me I didn't mishear that. Did I just hear dubstep in the big... When did this come out? In the big 22. Did I just hear that? Oh my god. Ice.
Dang.
Why is everything popping up on my screen? What am I messed things up. What is going on? Are we good? I don't know what happened. I'm running it back.
Dang.
I love that. Sounds like a Wobox from My Singing Monsters.
What?
Oh, Felix. Champion. Champion. Oh, the way Why can't you pronounce that? Oh my god. I don't even know what to point out anymore. I'm gonna miss a lot of stuff. I'm gonna listen to this over and over again.
Dang.
Dang. Dang. So does that mean freeze? They keep saying dang. Water gun? Interesting. What do these lyrics mean? Oh. This is a switch up. Is this the bridge? This is beautiful. What? Right after that? The fact that we're talking about ice and there's a fire. Burn, ignite the fire in the heart right now. Oh, I see. Wait, that's the end of the song? I thought that was the bridge. That was the outro of this, unless it's like an intermission. I can't tell. I don't know if the song's over or not. Let's just see what's happening. Don't pick up that gun. He picked up the gun. It's IN that picked up the gun. Hey man, look, relax. Okay, you just wanted to troll me, okay. That was actually the end of the song. Interesting. The end of the song is... No, the end of the song was a peaceful... I guess, like, I was trying to pay attention to the lyrics. The bridge was talking about cold ice, and, you know, Jungbin said water gun. I'm trying to understand what's going on. Freeze. What do they mean by freeze? Yes, they're talking about cold. Yes, but there's just two meanings. I mean, they're showing guns as well, like freeze, put your hands up, I guess. But then at the end, it was talking about like fire and whatnot, which, I mean, that's how you melt ice, right? So I guess, and they were talking about like, what are they saying? One more time, I break the. So it's like escaping, right? Just let it out now. Run even if you're on ice, let it go, burn, ignite the fire in your heart right now. I'm getting out now. Yeah, it's like escaping, letting it go. Interesting. So that's why that was the end. Huh. I mean, you could let me know in the comments below what the song's trying to say exactly. I was trying to look at the subtitles, but there was so much going on. I mean, with that beat, you think I could focus on subtitles? So yeah, what a song! I mean, both of those songs, Venom and not Maniac, sorry, Venom and Freeze. It's like both of them were similar in a sense, like they're both dark, and they have this sound to it, like how Venom, well, and then dang. Not dang. I guess that's the song, what the song's technically called. If freeze and dang mean the same thing. But you know, the chorus, the dubstep, I mean, that blew my mind. I mean, yeah, whoever said, I would like freeze, you're absolutely correct. That was definitely a song I absolutely love. That might even be like top 3 favorites right now for Stray Kids. I'm dumbfounded. Thank you for suggesting those. Thank you for 1,000 subs. And, you know, subscribe if you haven't, because this journey is like only started, right? There's still so much more I need to check out. Also, you guys are suggesting Kingdom and whatnot. I swear Kingdom is like a copyright nightmare. I'm kind of worried about Kingdom. But you know, I'll hold off for that for a moment. But yeah, let me just end the video. It's getting too long, I'm sorry. Check this video out. Subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.